All right. Welcome to episode number 49. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is let me go ahead and post to my YouTube channel to the subscribers in the Discord channel. So what I'm going to do right now is, hold on. The mouse is acting weird. Okay. So hold on, okay? Let me check my mouse. All right, anyway, so now what I'm gonna do, let me copy this and paste it here. And I am gonna find the YouTube link. So copy this. So while I'm copying this, I will paste it here and hit enter. So I am gonna do one more thing. So hold down. So and then close this out. So I will minimize this and open the once I open this one, I am gonna do one more thing. So let pause. Okay. All right. So okay. So some reason like my internet is super weird. So since yesterday, I don't know. I may need to reboot router every Saturday before I go live because the streaming is not good. So okay. All right. So anyway, so what I'm gonna do right now is let me also open TikTok. So once I do that, you should be able to see on the TikTok as well. Okay. All right. See it there. Yeah, I do have super, I don't have any problem last time when I was streaming. Because the reason I'm asking and telling you guys is, yeah, since I go live, okay. So let me see what I can do here. So what I'm thinking, like, if I do this, maybe it should be somewhere. Yeah, I mean, it should be good though. Yeah. So, and then what I'm gonna do is this. So let me know if you see some weird thing, okay guys? So I will go ahead and do my live session. So I just want to make sure that you guys see all those, details. So I'm gonna, open that. So So hold on, okay. Okay. So yeah, my mouse is acting so weird. Okay. Anyway, so now what I'm gonna do is to the TikTok as well. Live. Alright, so it's loading there. And I'm hoping this should be good to go. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, if not, then I will make sure that settings is good to go next time. All right, so it's a bit good. I don't think there is any problem, right? So let's check. Let's see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this for now, and then I'm gonna start it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's supposed to see this, but not sure why it's not working. Okay. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, okay? So if there is any questions, if you feel something weird, let me know in the comment section. So I will help you, okay? All right, so there are a couple of things we did yesterday. I don't know if you saw my last video from yesterday. If there's any questions, let me know in the comment section. And then if you are looking for any kinds of trainings, let me know as well. And then the other thing I want to also mention you about the streaming. So it's, you know, it's like lagging there. So let's see how it goes. So I honestly don't know what's going on here, but let's see. Yeah, I'm using multi-streaming right now, so just I think I do have, you know, 1 gigabit internet, so I don't use any other thing, but while I'm streaming, it's acting so weird. But I'll make sure that, you know, next time if I have any problems, so I will stop it. Okay, so and then also I'll just make sure that you guys are willing to learn. Okay, in the meantime, so what I'm gonna do is, yeah, I mean, this is super weird, guys. Okay. Okay, maybe, you know, wait, maybe let's see. So what I am gonna do right now is, so let's do one thing. So let me go ahead and close this out, and so yeah, I'm just paused there, so I'm not watching anything. So it says excellent there. So let's see. So yeah, I'll make sure that next time, it is good there to go. So yeah, I mean, I don't think there is any problem. Audio bitrate, yeah, 1000 is normal. Yeah, there's no recording. Okay. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is, let's see here. Okay. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions. Okay, guys. Anything that you want to get from me, let me know in the comment section. Okay. So let me go ahead and kill this session. And let me close this out. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is here's the thing I wanna do. Okay, since yesterday we did some of the background, so let me go ahead and overview from yesterday whatever we did it. So yesterday we went over from different types of attacking method. So we also went from the different levels, and if you see right now we do have also level 1 arrogant. So if you we already passed the basic one, so now we are a little bit making harder. So if you see hints is disabled and try harder, so it's not logging right now. So and then the main thing right now, I will also make sure that my goal is to understand what I'm trying to do. And yesterday we we went over from the, if you see WhatsApp, and if you go to the cross-site scripting, reflect, and we went over the text view file, and we also went over the user info. So this is very, very interesting, guys. Just want to make sure that, and if you are willing to learn from this channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share out. And then we also install the Foxy proxy. So Foxy proxy is also one of the proxy tools where redirect to traffic is kind of plug in to redirect traffic to the to one of the tools with the Burp Suite. So Burp Suite is also one of the tools, and there is also the community edition, which I'm not paying right now. So because that's not my out of budget right now. So I have a pretty much solid idea for the community edition. So just want to make sure that, okay. All right. So the next thing, I also did the settings for the Foxy proxy. So if you click on the so if you go to the plugin here, so if you see extension, you'll see, and you can also find more extensions if you want more. So I enable for the private and also enable for the regular browser. So and then if you do that, and if you click on Firefox settings, I also configure one of the tool called network settings. Once you go there, I manually configure the proxy, which is the by default, and port is 8080, and there is a stock 5. And also one of the other example I did is I installed the Foxy proxy certificate as well. So if you come back here in general section, privacy and security, once you go there, you might see something called certificate, right? So and then if you click on the view certificates, you will see all those certificates that you installed it. So anyway, so that's the things I did it. So this is general overview for you guys, whoever new to the you will get that information. This training paid or free, I'm not. So this is completely free. There's no charge for the training, but if you fill the one-on-one training or group training, that will be charged. For if you're watching from TikTok or if you're watching from YouTube or anywhere, this is completely free, no paid. So that's FYI on that. Okay, so we also configure the Kali Linux, and then I also configure the multi-date, which is also inside the Metasploit tables too. So in the Metasploit tables, we were able to do multiple things, right? So we were able to find all those SFTP connection, FTP connection, and we were able to do more stuff, right? So if you go here, that's what we did a couple of things last time. So if you see all those things here, and I also offer different PSP, which we also update and update a lot of things, right? So make sure that and we also upload the connection, and then we were also able to do is reverse shell. So FYI on that. Okay, so anyway, so this is the overview of general information. So we will continue from yesterday's. Okay, so yesterday we did like I mentioned, we did cross-site scripting with a text file, and we also used the user info. So there is the background color that I also did it. So we will move forward with the other stuff today. That is the overall, guys, the high level of overview. So if you are really willing to learn, so go ahead and fill that Google form for me. And so if you want the training, group training, so I'm 100% open for that as well. So so for the YouTube, and you don't need to pay anything, so FYI. All right, the other thing I want to show you here. Okay, so the good thing, right? The good thing here. Now I am gonna, because since like this is arrogant already, so what I'm gonna do, I will remove this first, right? So I just want to load fresh, right? Hit enter, and you will see something. Once you install or upload or do import whatever you did in the Metasploit table too, so once you find the IP address, and you need to come here in the any type of browser or whatever you prefer, so you can do that, right? So I'm going to disable for now the proxy. So, and then you can click on the multi-date, right? So we already went to the PSP DAVWA, and our next our goal is to and also we compromise already for the Metasploit table a lot of things, right? In the metadel multi-del. So if you click on that, you'll see the arrogant, right? So which I configure already. Whenever you want to change it, you can click on this, right? So you'll see 5 secure, and if you toggle it, 0, but I already mentioned you, so this is the level 1 for the model. Okay. Okay, now and let's go to the other thing here. So so this is also one of the thing, right? So I will show you this. So if you click on this right here, and I already disable this one, right? So, and then make sure that you are cross-site scripting, and you can see HTML5 stories. So once you click on that, for now I am gonna turn off the proxy as well, because this is not here currently. So just make sure that if you do any kinds of the man in the middle, so if or you are monitoring any kinds of traffic or proxy, just make sure that you are not doing anything. Okay, just click on proxy and turn off the intercept off, and also repeater. So once you find anything here, you can forward that to repeater. Okay, so once you do that, you should be good to go there. So and the other thing I want to make sure that here is yeah, feel free to ask any questions if you have. Okay, thing, let's see how it goes, right? So we will try to do security level, tier, repeater, and then implementative. So next thing, cybersecurity tool or any kinds of cybersecurity certification. This will be a really good one for you all. Okay, and the other one I also want to make sure that this is the good example here. So if you see, once we click on that, I mean, we can interject, right? So we did a couple of things yesterday as well. We tried multiple things, and if you come back here, we tried repeat one, and then we were able to get the, injection. So cross-site scripting, right? So this is how we can do. Okay. So if you have, let me know, guys. All right, so feel free to ask any questions if you have. If not, then we will move forward doing a lot of fun stuff here. Okay, so and then the other thing I want to make sure that let's enable, right, burp suite enable, and let me go back first, and then we will see. Okay, so this, and if you go to HTML5 stories, and we are here. Okay, so now I'm gonna enable intercept, right? And then you can do fun stuff here. So let's say, for example, type anything, right? Anything, and ABC, and add a new one. So once we click on this, you will see some of the stuff here. Okay, so since we already enabled the burp suite here, and add new, so you will see some of the connection here. Okay, looks like it's not there. Okay, so what I can try is, so let's go ahead and do one thing. Hold on. So all right, so don't worry. Okay, so if you try one more time and then you're not getting, that's fine. And now you are here, so we already get it. So if you see, this is the request and the post and get. Okay, so there are like three types of direction. So the request is we're just sending request to the server or web page or whatever it is, right? Or server or web page or IS server, any kinds of server, the request, right? And then post is like more, you getting more post, the posting, right? That you're posting there. And then the get is, so I'll show you more example here. So what I'm gonna do, right click it and the repeater. Okay, once you send that, you can forward this one also, or you can drop it. Okay, so once you drop it, it won't go anywhere. So forward all, whatever we have is, if we have multiple, you can forward that. Now you will see that it's forwarded, right? And now let's go ahead and do anything ABC D, right? Sessions, or maybe you can do for session first, and we'll see the local for the other way. So now and then you are not seeing anything. Reload the page, we'll see now. So get, see right here, they change the method and then they change the request. So they get, like I mentioned, the direction request and the method is get. So sometime you'll see the post there, or sometime you will see something interesting with it, like a post or get, or sometime like multiple things. And then if you forward this to multiple here, and you can change anything, or you can change the ID. And now once you send that or change it, and you are getting, let me show you, if we are getting the HTTP 200 okay, so that means we need to make sure that we are readable and writable as well. So since we didn't change anything, so which is normal for 200, there's FI on that. So if you're getting other requests for sometimes it's really important that you need to, sometimes you'll get 200 okay, so sometimes you'll get 300, 400. So different types, right? So if, let's say, what if I remove this, and then if you do that, so sometime you will get, still it's a good one, okay? So but if you remove whole thing, and then what happened? So still something, okay? So you're not able to get any request right now because there's nothing. So and then you're making sure things looks correct, and if you see this is nothing here, and that's what I mentioned, you can change anything, you can forward that, get rid of. There's 200 okay, sometimes it's like 400 okay, yeah, it's like it's just good one there. Okay, so yeah, so other thing you can also do here, like I mentioned you here, right? So I'm gonna do one more forward. So once you do forward here, you'll see some of the stuff here, but so you can click there, those no sessions, all storage, nothing, right? So what I'm gonna do is, so if there is anything, right, so let's do one thing. Okay, so I will turn off this one and turn off this one. So what I'm going to do, reload the one more time with the storage, and what I'm going to do is enable this one as well. And once you do that, put anything here, anything, right? You can put anything, it doesn't matter. So since I'm putting anything, you don't put anything, okay? Anything, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and then add. So since you don't see anything, we'll refresh that page and then you'll see it. Okay, so add that. Okay, and add. So unable to add the key because contain no alphabet characters. So that means we need to put some character there as well. Okay, so let's do it and refresh. So that will forward here. And let's send to the repeater and forward, right? So once you do that, you won't see anything, right? So if you see, this is the go cast and message, didn't see anything, but what I can do here is now I am gonna do, right? So remember last time was, let me go ahead and turn off that, and let me go to this tool. And oops, not that, hold down, and if you go to DNS lookup, so what I did last time, I was doing this. So let's go back to this and this, okay, and then you can enable and intercept on. So now the repeater, but we can change this one, so we can change here. Like I mentioned you earlier in my last video as well, so this is the one of the vulnerability, so you can always try that, because my goal is to remove this, and you can open the this and put it, this script is closed, right? And then greater sign, less than sign, and alert 1. I mean, you can change the alert 1 anything you want it. So this is the goal. And then if you send that request, you will see 200 OK here. So once you see the 200 OK, you should see some of the alert 1 here. So our goal is to find the alert 1 right here. So but if you go to raw here, this is more formatted. So and then you can see, okay, so this is how you can intersect to the session, right? And now what I can also try because if you see, this is the arrogant level, so it's really hard for you all, and make sure that this is the good example there. So and then the other way you can also try remove this, right? So our goal is to remove this and then up to paste, right? So copy this and here, so paste, so we can remove this because we already copied the paste and paste it here, and you will see the one here. So you can change anything you wanted, but let's see. Okay, the first thing we'll see the here and forward this, and you'll see one here. So what also you can try is you can see here as a say hello. Okay, so hello, and then you can put this. Okay, and you can copy this. If it doesn't work, you need to make sure that. Okay, anyway, so let's copy this and paste here. And if you see, this is the hello is saying that, and the script is enabled. And you also see hold on. So what I can try is, let's go ahead and turn off this, and let's go one more time here, and storage, and you can paste it here now. So okay, so now you can try this, and since we already turned off, right, because we don't need it right now anyway, you can paste it here, and then you'll see the request here. Or you can also enable this, and you can also try to see that. Or if it doesn't work, so we will put one here, or say hello, or whatever it is, we'll try that. Okay, so now I already enabled this and hit enter. You'll see this request is on this one here, and if you see hello here, forward that, right? So once you forward, and it is not there, but we'll definitely go there, so don't worry there, and turn off. Okay, and we'll see this is the HTML5 request, and paste it here. So this is way, right? Just make sure that you copy paste, because you have to type every time if you do it. Okay, so now this is hello, and forward, and you'll see. Okay, so that means, you know, like it doesn't, maybe it's not working, but we can definitely try one thing here, or you know, like you can try that forwarding. And okay, so yeah, I mean, sometimes it's like you change it, right? So it doesn't work, maybe, you know, like you can increase the level and try it. Okay, so so now the other way you can try is, let me go ahead and turn off this one. Okay, and then you can now refresh once you shoot this one here, and so let's see HTML5 storage, and let's toggle the secret level right now, so higher, right? And then you can see turn on, and so let's see if you get error, so that's, we can do the other way. Okay, so yeah, the validation page not found. Yeah, so just make sure that, you know, toggling on, toggling off, try different way, and then you can definitely try it. So if you see multiple, you can do forward all. Okay, so then you can see a lot of stuff there, and then forward all, and forward all, and this will be okay. All right, any questions, guys? Yeah, any questions while you're trying this, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so anything that you are looking for, I'm here to help you to support your goal. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Definitely that will help me to help you guys as well. So if you are, you know, currently if you are looking any kinds of training, certification, this will be great opportunity for you all, and you know, so, and then also if you're looking for one-on-one session or group sessions, please go ahead and fill that form that I already pasted in the chat. So I'm here for your support. Okay, so that will be paid one, but I'm thinking like make things like for an hour for my group, so you can always, you know, ask for any kinds of, and also I do have Discord channel as well if you are looking for, you know, connection, and then you are looking for the community that you communicate with each other. So that will be, you know, good there. I also looking forward you all joining the Discord channel, and so I can put you in the chat as well for the Discord channel. If you're looking for the Discord channel, I'm open for that as well. So this is my official Discord channel, guys. you can feel free to join there. So any things you wanted. Okay. All right. So and then you can communicate it to each other. So however, paid promo and any kinds of promotion is not allowed to the Discord channel. So so be cautious on that. You can always find a lot of stuff, fun stuff there. And also you can ask questions if you have any questions, and you can also do a lot of things there. So while I'm trying to give you more precise version of the cybersecurity guide, help me out, okay? So if you like, share, and subscribe, that will also give me more power, because if I go live and then you guys don't share, don't like, and then I couldn't help you. So for the YouTube algorithm, so if you smash the like, smash the subscribe button, so that will help me in the long run. Okay, so anyway, so any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. I am here for your support, and anything that you are looking for, I'm open for that as well. Okay, so so beginning from this chapter for the YouTube live, and I use multi-streaming, Facebook live, TikTok, YouTube, Rumble, and then the Twitch as well. So they're like multi-streaming, so you can always go back and check anywhere. So wherever you find it, that will be helpful for me, and then you can go from there. Okay, all right, so now we are almost 40 minutes over. I do have few things to do. Okay, so the few things that means I'm planning to do, like I mentioned, I'm planning to do free sessions for you all. That will be not live, so I will be doing more private sessions, and then if you want it, go ahead and fill that form for me. I will definitely reach out to you, and I will send you the link. And if you want that like live sessions, like kind of interaction sessions, you can always come back and join it. Okay, and then I will also send from the email. If you want to share your emails, go ahead and fill that form for me, and then I'll be there for you. Okay. All right, so now we switch over to the arrogant. So what I'm gonna do is copy and pasted that already. So since this is the script, right? So this is the what we found while we're scanning the multi-data server with the cross-site scripting, right? So in the cross-site scripting, what we or normally do is we try to find that. Okay, so this is the alerts. So if you see the alerts that you are trying, and and you can always come back here and change it and tweak it, right? So if you see, okay, maybe this is the sometime you need to understand. So sometimes it's like you need to make sure that the wise decision. So if you try the wise decision here, and then if you are definitely try it, I mean, I will be not surprised, because like for myself, while I'm starting my journey, so every time is something different. Every time if I try one thing, it doesn't work other thing. So and then you fix the other thing, and then it doesn't work for other thing. So like sometimes it's very important that making things easier for you. But keep trying means if you try 100 times and then it fails 99 times, and then you get success in one time, and there's like 99 tries are worth it to get one success. So in the cybersecurity world, patience is more important. Just keep an eye on it, like patient, try it. But make sure that if you're trying to in production, so don't try that anything funny. So that was the one of the story that I want to share with you, because that was when we one of my colleague, so he was the cybersecurity stuff, and then he was trying to dump the domain key, and then he crashed the server, so no one can log in, right? So and then that will be situation, and you have to make the right decision while you're trying to getting things easier, but try one at a time. Don't try the don't get aggressive. So try it one at a time. Don't try anything suspicious. They might cut you because they have like multiple tools. They can find it, or sock or knock, whoever, right? So it's like they can find for you. So, and then that's why very cautious on that. Just make sure that you take your right decision and stay anonymous, okay? And then that will be your good opportunity, and then the great great wide decision there. So, and then other thing I want to also highlight here is since you guys are willing to learn for the cybersecurity, so this live will be always on Saturday 10:30 a.m. and Sunday 10:30 a.m. Pacific time. Okay, so I am from California right now, so this will be live every Saturday and Sunday. And also, like I mentioned, you can always join the Discord channel. So I will usually, like, if I put any live session here, I'll go there and then I put it you all, okay? And then you will get notified. Okay, so I'm live, so you can do, or like easy way to, you don't have to go through the Discord. So easy way, you can subscribe, like notification bell icon, so you can smash that. Once I go live, you get notified. Anyway, so those are all the details, guys. I'm gonna change the forward right now. So so if you see, this is the arrogant level, and then we were able to get the results, so which is notification, right? So that's the what we alert, right? And then we were able to see this. Okay, so while we try this, and also we did a couple of things yesterday, right? So while we trying to do this, and we tried multiple things, and we did it, and again, so if you miss that, go ahead and check this free, okay? Anyway, so now, all right, so now to do so you can click on this, and let's go to this one, capture data. So once you do that, let's see how it goes. I mean, sometimes it is very important, guys, to understand how things work, right? My goal is to help you. My goal is to help you, and if you try that and it doesn't work, that's fine. Come back to me next time, and then ask me any questions. There's a Discord channel, and then, hey, I'm getting this error, so what's the possibility changes, or whatever it is. So I was like, okay, so it's like, oh, I can help you. Yeah, just make sure that, okay, guys. Yeah, don't feel shy, because we are learning here, so we're not expert, we're not one day, obviously, but no one is perfect here, so let's try that, okay? All right, so the other way you can also try, for myself, I'm trying every day, is every time if I tried one thing and it doesn't work, and you get frustrated, so that is not good. So every time if you try it, keep trying, okay? And then definitely one day you get success. All right, okay, so how things going, guys? Okay, so hold on, okay. Okay, now let's see. All right, so now we will go back here, and let's see how it goes again. So what if I let's see. So what I do this, so let's go ahead and do refresh, right? So I will turn off this and repeater. So I'm gonna close this all, right? So I don't need this. If you create a multiple script and multiple repeater, so that will be adding more and more and more, okay? So just FYI on that. So let me go ahead and do this and intercept on and refresh or hit enter. So you will get here, right? Or you can also send this one as a repeater, but you can forward that and you will see this result. You see a couple of error, failure, whatever it is, but we're not worried about that right now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy paste here. So I will paste all this same way, right? Nothing changes, nothing there, nothing anything. So I am gonna copy here and paste it here, right? And also make sure that like I mentioned, keep trying, and there will be the result will be on your favor. Okay, so let's go do that and paste it this one. So what I'm gonna do is, and let's do the other way. Okay, so let's copy that and send this one. Okay, all right, so I'm not getting response. Maybe we can send it to, right? I mean, we can try, doesn't matter, guys. So all right, so now if that's the case, okay, if that's the case, all right, so maybe what if I tried, maybe script is print, right, not alert, print. Okay, so that means, let's set that one more time. So yeah, let's wait, don't freak out, okay? Don't freak out. Okay, let me go ahead and turn off this, and repeater is fine. Okay. So what I can try now is, so the capture data, you can see all those things here. What I'm, I already turn off, right? Turn off. Okay, let's go back and do this capture data, and let's enable and do refresh. Okay, now send this to repeater and forward. So, and then what we can here. Okay, so remove this up to page, and you can put here as a print. Okay, so you can change to 2, maybe like you can try different variables, and then we'll see there. So okay, so now we will go to raw, and we'll see print here. Okay, so now it is good there, right? So toggle is there, and and also the other way you can try, right? So you can try that. So let's see. Okay, so what I can try now is, let me paste this, right? So move in this page. Okay, let's do one thing, hold on. So paste here, and copy this, right? Paste here, and paste this one here. So this way, copy it and paste it here. So this is everything is fine, but one little thing we change here is the print to, right? So print to is variable that you want to print it, and so let's see, the proxy is here, is enable, and turn off, turn on, and hit enter. So how it goes, let's see, and here we go, bang, there we go. So now you are, boom, there you go. Anyway, so all right guys, anything you're looking for, thank you so much for subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching for an hour. We do have still 7 minutes left. If you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions, feel free to do anything. I'm here again, so feel free to join the Discord channel I do have here. Like I mentioned, And I do have Discord channel in my channel chat as well, so go ahead and do that as well. So yeah, I mean, this is a great example if you see it. So and then also you can change the security level, right? So once we do the security level, we can try that. Now we have only one, right? So but you can definitely try that, and this will help. Okay, so now let me go ahead and turn off these guys right here, and I go back here and try that. Okay, hold down, there is it. And let's toggle the security level, right? And then let me go ahead and enable the intercept, and then refresh. So forward is done, but we didn't send that to repeater, so we can try one more time. Hold on. Okay. Let's go here and change that security level, right? We already changed it. So now we will go to this and change the data, and let's send this one to repeater. And I mean, this is forward, doesn't really matter, but in the meantime, if you try that, you can try one more time. This is the same one, right? So let's and try here. Okay, and you can remove this, we don't need that, and send. So if we don't get that, don't worry. So I will try off and on again, proxy off, and let's go back. So this one. Okay, so now we change that security level, right? So we can change to a little bit higher, right? So higher means 5. Okay, let's do it. Okay, enable, and go ahead and do refresh. Right, refresh, hit enter, and now we can send that to repeater and forward, right? So that's for, but the main guys, I will see you next time, and hopefully that will give you more. All right, so I'm waiting for you to ask any questions if you have. Okay, so all right, so okay. All right, anything you want to ask me, feel free to ask. Okay, guys. Okay, so thank you so much for your like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you next Saturday at 10:30 a.m. Okay, Pacific time. Thank you so much for you all, and then I will looking forward. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you Saturday. Okay, so every time, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and do subscribe, like, and share, please. That will help me to grow, and then also that will motivate me to find all those information for you all. Okay, all right, so all good stuff.